Welcome everybody. So today is Monday. What was that? Anyway, so today is Monday. Today is that day, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I started off the day and go on with the rest of it, and hopefully you enjoy things, and we'll see how this goes, and y'all help me along the way. And if you'll notice, I say the word so a lot, and I know it's a filler word, and I use it when I don't know what else to say, and you all have those words. I know you do. Don't tell me you don't. So you can go ahead and point it out if you want. I already know. So, see, I did it right there. Let's go on with today. Today is Monday. I gotta fix that. Let's show you how today started. Have a great one. Tell all your friends, or not, but be sure and tell your mom.
That's why I'm getting tired of this shit.
Happy Monday, everybody. About 3:30 in the morning. I'm pretty tired, so we'll take a shower. Get this channel started. Let's get this day started. Let's get this week started. But first of all, let's get me started. I gotta get wet. Alright, out of the shower now. This is my room. This is where I hang out. This is my fortress of solitude. You can see I'm standing in between the two Darth Vaders there. Yeah, I'm a Star Wars nerd. Sorry about that, but it is what it is. I grew up in the 70s and 80s when Star Wars was big. When Star Wars came out in 77, I saw it at the drive-in movie theater. I've created my own little room in here dedicated to Star Wars and my other love, football, specifically, unfortunately, of the Kansas City Chiefs variety, being that I am originally from the Show Me State, Missouri. I got my finger in the way there. So I've got a wall dedicated to that as well. Sort of a hodgepodge of things there. Got a little mismatched collection of the game area stuff there. Football helmets. Don't have all the lights on, so it is what it is. Got my belts hanging, hat, Angry Grandpa, other hats, got my fan, more Star Wars stuff right there. So there's a tour of my room. Well, one of my rooms. I'm not letting you see all of them. And that's it. Now, dressed, ready to go. Gonna get this Monday started. Let's see what happens. Donuts. No, donuts are bad. Alright, I'm back again, guys. I had to come back home. Trade out the bike for the Cadillac today. Looks like it's going to start raining, and some things I wanted to do. Well, I didn't want to ride around in rain and thunderstorms this afternoon, so came back and got the car. So it is what it is, and yeah, I didn't want to get wet today, and that's what it is. So it's a Monday morning. I took the freaking day off because I wanted to. It's my birthday week, and that's what I wanted to do, and I've got the spirit of the bike with me, so I'm going to ride around and do whatever the hell it is I want to do. I'm going to tour, show you all a little bit about the town I live in called Owensboro.
speaking. How may I help you?
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Awesome.
How are you doing?
I'm all right. How's your mom and them?
I'm doing great now that you're here.
Good to hear you today. What's good? What's good today?
2 ham, egg, and cheese.
Oh yeah?
Croissant. Yep.
2 of them.
That's what you want?
Yeah, give me 2 of them.
Would that be awful?
Give me some of them cheesy hash brown fries.
We don't have those anymore.
You don't have cheesy hash brown fries?
No.
All right.
We have regular hash browns.
Give me some of them.
I think you should get a large.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right.
That's what you want, a large?
Yeah.
Would that be awful?
Give me a large drink with something in it.
What kind of drink do you want?
I don't know. A carbonated beverage of sorts.
What kind do you want? We have Coke products.
I will
Sprite?
I will take a Coke product.
Okay. I'm going to just put a Coke.
That'll work.
Would that be all?
That will be all.
All right, your total will be $8.36. Please pull around.
I shall. How you doing?
I'm doing great. You already asked me.
I know. I asked you again. Now I see you in person.
Okay.
There's that. You ain't got no name on your name tag.
I know. My name's Cleo.
Cleo?
Yeah, like Cleopatra.
Oh, I like that. My name's Andrew. I like that.
Okay. Hello, Andrew. Sweetheart, is there anything I can help you find?
Me?
No. Number 8. What's your name for that, please?
I could probably find something.
Have a great day, Andrew.
Thank you, Cleo. Hey, you have a good one now.
You too.
And that's how you make somebody's day a little brighter. I don't even know what I ordered, what I paid for. I asked her what she thought was good. She told me what she liked, and I got that. I got some kind of, I think I got a Coke or something. Bunch of crap I don't need. And I'm stopped here in front of a tattoo parlor. I could get a tattoo. I don't think I'll do that today. I am going to get a tattoo. Somebody give me suggestions on a tattoo that you think I should get. I'm going to get it right here. And I don't know what I'm going to get yet. Something, of course, that means something. Old industrial part. Nothing really much going on. Dude spraying for bugs right there. What's up, bug man? So I'm going downtown by the river. We live pretty much right on the Ohio River. Full of mud and dead bodies, basically. You think I'm lying. I'm not. I spit a piece of that potato out of my mouth. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so I'm going to go down on the Ohio River, show you a little bit about what's down there, and I'll meet you down there. It's that way. Let's go. Alright guys, well here we are, right down here on the river walk here in Owensboro, Kentucky. Right here by post 6, 9, and 6. Here at the VFW. Here's the monument right here. This tribute to courage and valor is dedicated to the deceased members of Owensboro Post number 696, veterans of foreign wars. All gave some and some gave all. So that's very cool. Very happy to support them, and happy that they are here. So as you can see, there's a lot of construction going on around here. This area is fairly new. They've done a lot of work to it. There's actually a lot of loft apartments going up around here. Actually right here. If you want to rent some of those, I'll let you know when they're done. That's right here. We're entering Smothers Park. I don't know what this thing is called, but it's pretty cool. Looks really neat at night. City of Owensboro seasonal inlet water feature. As we look down there, you can see the cascading stairs. I'm not going to go walk down them. And you can see a bunch of people have thrown cups and crap down in there. That's pretty cool. But here we are at the Ohio River. Those of you who want to see that. There's our famous blue bridge that I was talking about. It looks really cool at night. I don't know what it's really called. But we just call it the Blue Bridge because it's blue. And it's a bridge. Over there is Indiana. Over here is Kentucky. So that's pretty cool. Right here is a big circle with a big clamshell looking thing over the top of it. And you can sit here and watch the barges go by. It's sort of an amphitheater kind of thing because it echoes your voice. Hello! So that's kind of cool. So you can come over here and watch the barges go by on the Ohio River. So we'll do a little bit of that right now. There's one going by right now. You can wave at them as you're going by. And they'll go under the Blue Bridge. There's some more barges up there. So it's a pretty neat little scene down here. So that's pretty cool. Another view of it. Oh, they quit. Water's not really running down it right now. Pretty cool. Anyway, a little bit about me. I moved here from Missouri about 12 years ago. This sort of a change of life kind of thing. You know, you get to a point in life where you're tired of doing what you were doing. You get burnt out on one thing, and one of the things I say in life, if you're tired of doing something, or if you don't like how something's going, then do something about it. And that's what I did. 12 years ago, I burned out being a paramedic after being on the truck for about 11 years. The average burnout rate for a paramedic at that time was 7 or 8 years or so, and I made it to almost 11, and I was pretty happy with that. I loved the job, but after a while it became a job, and once it starts becoming a job, then you need to get rid of it and move on to something else. So I figured out another way to try and help people, and that's what I'm doing now up here in a different area. And it's a pretty cool little area over here. So that's where I'm at. Been here about 12 years, figuring things out, and I like it, you know. Got the water falling down over here on the little water feature. I'm sitting right next to it. Pretty cool. So I'm at the midpoint of my life and trying to figure out new things and do new things. And this is where I'm at today. So I'm going to sit here a minute and enjoy the views, and then I'm going to take you on the rest of the tour of the Smothers Park here in Owensboro, Kentucky. This is my birthday week. I'm not a half century old, but I'm getting damn close. Who cares, right? A lot of people come down here on their lunch breaks and do some walking. And that's a pretty good thing. I'm going to do some walking today. I'm not on my lunch break. I'm taking a whole day break, because that's fine with me. I'm watching some other people work over here on these apartments. You can come down here and rent an apartment for about $1,200 to $1,500 a month too, if you want to. There's just a lot of different things you can do here in town. But mostly you can eat and go to church is what you can do here in town. Oh, and you can drink. You can do drugs too if you want, but that's about everywhere. They've got these cool little swings here that are pretty comfortable. Nice place you can sit and just watch what's going on. People watch and river watch and just hang out. There comes the water again. Anyway, I'm trying to figure this life out. I'm going to take you along with me. And the times that I'm not working, I'm going to take you along. And no matter the good or the bad, you'll get to see it just like I am. And we'll have a good time with it. Sometimes we'll have a bad time with it. And you'll see me mess with people. You'll see people mess with me. You'll see me happy. You'll see me sad. And that's all right. What the hell is that thing? I don't know. It must have been a street sweeper or something. I don't know what that thing was. Some little kind of vehicle thing. I couldn't see the bottom of it. But anyway, it's about time to shut this off. I'm going to take this camera down and we're going to go for a little walk. Why don't you meet me right over here? All right, a little more. There's that thing I was talking about right over there. It's a street sweeper. That's pretty cool. I've never seen a little one like that.
That's what she said.
Here's another little water feature, sort of a penny fountain. They keep this area really clean down here. They're pretty proud of that. That's pretty cool. They ought to be proud of it. They spent several $1 million on it. You can see the fountains bubbling up there. They're not really doing anything today. And they've got some neat vegetation over there in the center of the walking area. Kind of looks like weeds to me, but they say it's pretty cool. A bunch of imported grasses and stuff like that. It looks like my backyard if I don't mow it all summer to me, but they say it's pretty cool. Charlie, it kind of looks like your backyard in the part where they don't mow. Remember that part in that one video where you kneeled down and said, look how high the grass is. What the hell is beeping back there? But they probably got it there to cover up whatever the hell that building is there. Right here we have a blue pig. Sponsored by 811. Know what's below, call before you dig. I dig it, man. Tony, Sponsored by Southern Star Central Gas Pipeline. Kentucky Legends Oink for Owensboro 2018. That's pretty cool. Little walking area. I know this is terribly exciting for y'all. This is my life. This is what I'm doing today. I'm just walking around. This is a non-smoking area. 24 hours a day under surveillance. Had to get away from that area. There was some Michael Jackson playing in the background. You can get some Michael Jackson merchandise. Or, I'm sorry, Smothers Park merchandise. Over here you have the kids park. I'm not going to film that very long because it's creepy, because there's kids in it. But if you see that tree right there, I believe they spent like $1 million on building that tree. And there was a lot of flack given about it because the city built this park, this whole area, and those trees cost a lot of money. How are y'all? So a lot of people like those trees going on, and how much money they cost to protect theirs. But now they've been here for a while, everybody loves them, you know? So it's pretty cool. Kids like kids play on them every day. I've been here, I don't know, like 4 years now, something like that. Everybody enjoys it pretty well. That's interesting. Even free dog bags for your dog crap, I guess. What about the bird crap that's on top? What about that, Owensboro? Huh? What about that? And here at the 14 News substation, we have a pink pig. Not sure what that's about. It's wearing a sweater with a emblem that says the Pear Club. Its name is Henry. It's Sponsored by the, oh no, it's the Pearl Club. I'm sorry. The Pearl Club. Oink for Owensboro. Okay. Whatever. Over here we have the River Park Center. That's the auditorium and sort of a convention, an older convention complex. There's an auditorium and theater in there. You can have plays, concerts, that sort of thing in there. I've sang in there actually before, believe it or not. I'm coming up on the International Bluegrass Music Museum. Now, being from Missouri, I am not a bluegrass fan. And unfortunately, I moved to the bluegrass state. My bad. But over here, in case you're wondering, and if you ever want to visit it, let me know. I'll hook you up. Right over here is the Bluegrass Museum. I have no desire to go to it, but I'll get you tickets, take you over here, drop you off. You can go to it if you want. No desire to go to it myself. Not including the homeless guy that was looking at me. Alright, it's downtown on 2nd Street. Not much going on a Monday. Before lunch, anyway. But it's still kind of a neat little area. A judicial center over here. Apparently I can't even talk today, which is not unusual. If you want a good cup of coffee, you can go here. I've spotted another pig. Kentucky Wesleyan. Wesleyan strong. Sweet success is the Wesleyan way. Alright. And that's their colors, is the purple and white. So I get that. There's a wolf for Charlie blowing the 3 little pigs away. That doesn't make any sense if they're Wesleyan strong, but whatever. So there's pig number 3. Didn't know I was looking for pigs, but this is the old courthouse. This is where you get your tags renewed and all that kind of BS, which I got to do. Okay, and I've often seen this couple sitting here in front of the old courthouse. I still don't know why. They're reading blueprints of a house, I guess. He's got tools. They're holding hands in the background. She's brought him lunch, like a good woman should back in the day. Very loving couple. I'm not sure what this signifies in front of the courthouse, but maybe because they keep records here. I don't know, but cool, whatever. Another neat little shot. Coming back toward the way I was coming from on the opposite side of the street of the courthouse. Riverfront crossing. Headed to... the aroma. The aroma of my favorite pizza place. But this is feta pizza. There it is. Feta pizza. My favorite pizza place here in town. They do that really thin crust, and they make a whole bunch of different kind of specialized pizzas. One of them has mashed potatoes on it. Sounds gross, but it's actually really good. So if you're ever in the area, try them out. This building here is for lease. If you need a building here in the area, give them a call. It's right on the river. Has a picture of a falcon or something on it. It's grabbing a fish. So it's pretty cool. Oh, there is a little plaque in front of it. This one says, well, let's look at it first. She's standing there with her harvest of vegetables. wearing an apron. She's got her pants rolled up. They're tired, sitting in the harvest cart. This is called Harvest Dreams. It's a bronze statue, Bronze Lundin, Loveland, Colorado. River Arts, a revolving showcase of public art, a project of the Owensboro Museum of Fine Art and the City of Owensboro. So it doesn't really say anything except the title of Harvest Dreams. Okay, so I still don't know what it's about, other than we work hard around here. I don't know. I don't know what it's supposed to be about. So once again, they're working on loft apartments up here. If you wanted a loft apartment, they'll be done here in a few months. Come and get it if you want it. Water feature going on. It's getting kind of warm now. I may freaking jump in, man. So I was on my way home and I was going to stop by Kmart, get a couple of batteries, a couple other things, and going to pull into a parking lot, parking space here. Wait a minute. Kmart? No Kmart? Damn. Huh. I may have to do an abandoned Kmart Urbex. I'll just see if I can get in there. Damn it. So I hear Mr. Guest will have another guest in the house come around February or so of next year. Well, good for them, I guess. Listen, I hope the child is healthy and well taken care of. That's the main thing. And maybe it'll give them something else to do rather than focus on what other people are doing. So, good luck. Alright guys, that's about it for today. I'm going to leave it right there. That's quite a bit for one vlog anyway, and I hope you enjoyed it. And it's just me walking around. It's me taking the day off and just walking around, showing you a little bit about our park down by the river, the Ohio River. It is what it is. It's what I did today, and I'm going to continue recording some things I do later on. It is raining outside, but it's always sunny right here. Aww. Anyway, thanks. This is my first day, vlog number 1. Vlog, I can't even talk today. Vlog number 1 on Unravelz Vlogs. I gotta fix that. Stop it. Alright, there it goes. Alright, y'all have a good day. I'll catch you later.